Amazing. You have your own slide.
This is highly unadvisable.
Oh, hello. I have never in my life seen water so turquoise. This place is just, it's truly spectacular. I hope you're well. So we are here at Bajani in the Maldives. It is unbelievable here. We've been shaking our heads in disbelief ever since we arrived. We are extremely grateful to even be able to experience this. A lot of people have sent me Instagram messages requesting a villa tour and a resort tour of where we're staying, so here it is. So this is outside of our villa. The staff get around on golf buggies, and then for the guests you're provided with these eco-friendly bamboo bikes. I still cannot get over this. When you first walk in, you come outside here, you've got this hammock and another one down there. I mean, I have never in my life seen water so turquoise. This place is just, it's truly spectacular. You've got a swinging chair here where I like to read, seating area where you can have breakfast or lunch, and then down here just leads straight down into the sea. It's just unbelievable. I'm just, honestly, I can't comprehend this place. So then we come back inside, and through here you've got a little office where I've been doing some editing and stuff, and then you come through here and this is the kitchen. It's got a smeg fridge. You can see here these menus are made out of recycled paper. There's no plastic on this island. Everything's made out of either recycled glass, recycled wood or recycled paper, and they do a lot of work with preserving the marine life and all of the wildlife here, so that is a lovely touch as well. Coming through now to the bedroom. You go into bed with the sound of the ocean, that view. I can't deal with this place. And if the view wasn't enough, inside this bedside drawer you've got these controls, and if you press this happens. So the roof just casually opens. There is a sunroof inside the villa. What is going on, guys? This place, I mean, I don't even know what to say. I'm lost for words. This is something that we found absolutely hilarious. They have a pillow menu. Who knew there were so many different types of pillows? I mean, a cervical pillow, which is excellent at compressing and decompressing around your neck and head. A pillow menu. If that was not enough, there's almost like a whole other villa back here. You've got another bathroom, dressing room, just a place to hang up your clothes. Got some of our books here that we bought in Dubai. I've been reading Sapiens, really interesting. Jay's been learning about photography, and this book is really nice actually. The things you can see only when you slow down. Then you come out of here and you've got the shower, and if one shower wasn't enough, you've also got the option of an outdoor shower or a bath, and then these steps lead down into the sea. A washroom, his and hers, sinks. Oh, hello. How cool is that? Come up here, you've just got more relaxation spots, catching a tan. You can catch the sunrise on this side of the villa, so if you wake up early enough you can see the sunrise over there. Maybe we should do that tomorrow. really. Oh, except you have your own slide. Your own slide that goes into the sea. Are they joking? Are they joking? Had an idea. We want to fly the drone through the roof of the villa.
Now this is risky.
Yeah.
Because it looks like a big hole, but when you're flying a drone, it's a tight gap. And there's wires that run across the top of the room, which you'll see in a second. So this is highly unadvisable, but we're gonna go for it anyway, aren't we?
This is on you, it's your drone. If you want to do this, then yeah. If this goes wrong, he is gonna be so upset. So I'm praying it doesn't.
But we'll catch it on camera.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to open the roof. That is not a huge space, especially with the wires, babe.
I know.
You got to be careful.
You could put some proper epic music over that as well. Turning the drone on now. Ooh. It's going to be proper gusty as well on us, like a little mini helicopter. Okay, right.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah.
So we're headed out now to ride our bikes around the island, and I'm going to be taking you guys with us.
I've got to carry this drone
Yeah.
on the bike. The basket's too small. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the drone, this is the basket. Notice anything about the basket and the drone. The drone doesn't fit in the basket. So it causes a bit of a problem for me carrying the drone around. And then
quite windy and bright. I don't know if you guys can see or hear me, but we've just arrived at the north beach of the island that we're staying on. Completely empty apart from us. Look how white the sand is. I've never seen sand so white. It's insane.
this is just amazing.
And then you've got this side over here, but again it's pretty empty apart from that one guy.
We're about to go deep inside this island. There's no telling what's going to be in there. Rattlesnakes, lizards, poisonous geckos. There are crabs apparently in there, lots.
Yeah, we've seen them. The mud crabs.
I think I just got attacked by a poisonous mosquito. Thankfully, I managed to swat it off before it got a lethal bite in. If you pan around that way, you can see that's the resort. That's where our villa is. But let me tell you something. We're a long way from home now. Ready, babe? Let's go into the island to explore.
I'm ready, babe.
I'm trying to record you. Keep this drone from falling off this basket. It doesn't want to stay on. Look at it. Whoa.
Oh no, babe. Is it okay?
I don't know.
He's just flown the drone into the trees.
So I've had my first official drone crash.
This is what everyone was warning you about.
Oh, so annoying.
Doesn't look damaged, does it?
It looks a mess. Oh, please don't be broken.
It was a close call, but I think...
Close call, babe.
I mean,
it was a full-on crash.
Okay, yeah, it was a full-on crash, but I think it's going to be okay. I have...
Well, we'll find out in a second. I'm going to try and fly it straight away.
Way! Lucky!
Yeah, boy!
Laughing at. What's so funny?
Oh man, I'm watching the footage back of when I crashed the drone, babe. There's this one frame where you can see my face. So this is it taking off. I lose control. But just there's a flash in there where you see my face as it's crashing through the trees. If I can pause it. That's it there. Look at that. We had a photo shoot last night and this girl, she is killing me off saying that I look like I'm in the sunken place from Get Out. How's she gonna say I look like I'm in the sunken place? You're a waste girl.
Okay, so yesterday's island tour got cut a little bit short when we crashed the drone. So we're gonna head back down now and show you guys what we didn't get to show you yesterday. You're bringing the drone again?
Bringing the drone again.
What for? What do we need to get now?
Babe, you don't let your failures defeat you. It's not how a man falls, but how he rises up that defines it. That's why. The drone's coming again. And if I crash it again, then you can't come out tomorrow because we've got to go home. That's the failure.
So now we've just arrived here at the on-site football pitch. It's actually the staff football pitch, but Jay's been playing every single evening with the staff, haven't you?
So you guys are going to love this. So deep in the island, you've got this football pitch out of nowhere, which is where all the staff and the locals play every single night religiously. I've been coming here every night to kick ball with the locals and the staff. They've been so welcoming and friendly. It's been perfect for me to keep my cardio up, to keep my touch in, stay sharp. I'm going to play here again tonight as well.
So this is the recycling centre where everything gets recycled. They don't throw away anything here really. Any food gets turned into compost and everything gets recycled. So we're now even deeper in the island and you can see here they've got some fresh banana trees. Every day you get given fresh fruit and it's all grown here on the island. It's just pretty amazing that this isn't all blocked off, and as guests of the resort we're actually allowed to explore the whole island. It's just completely transparent, up close and personal with the organic bananas. Have you ever touched a banana on its tree before?
I have now. What about you?
No, I actually haven't. But I mean, I guess there's not really any need to start feeling up the bananas.
They're so much smaller than in Tesco's or Sainsbury's or anything.
Yeah, these ones are still growing. However, when they don't have the pesticides and the chemicals and everything on them, they are a lot smaller than some of the ones that we get in the supermarket. So always try to go organic, otherwise you kind of are eating a lot of chemicals.
I'm thinking, did someone put pesticides and chemicals on me when I was a baby? Don't film. I'm holding your bag for you so you can film. Don't film me. Don't emasculate me, babe. Don't do that to me. Come on, let's go.
Whatever you say, Jaramella.
Come, it's getting dark. We don't want to get stuck in the dark like in Bari again.
Oh gosh, yeah, we really don't. So we were just riding back to the villa after doing our little island tour, and on Fridays I think they do a little party every week here, and yeah, we've just stopped off to join. Why not?